Well, I got this bike about a year ago, and I found out a couple of months ago. I don't ride it on the road very often, but I found out a couple months ago from a couple of guys that when I use my left turn signal, the front left turn signal comes on, and the back right turn signal comes on, and vice versa. So basically, these are swapped, and they've been like that since I got it. And it's just me and one guy at the dealer who's worked on it, and they apologized for giving it to me like this, and told me how I could fix it, or they said I could bring it in. But I'd rather not drive the hour to the dealership to have them fix it, load it up in the car, wait for them. I think I'm just gonna figure it out. He said it's pretty easy. You gotta disassemble this back. Should be easy. It looks like 4 bolts, and then there's just a couple of clips. Got to clip, and then switch them, and we'll see. Let's find out. This thing's great. I'll show you. I fucking love this thing. That's a little plastic. Let's go. Okay, let's try that again. This is a good stand. Put it right back where you like it. Boop. Bike's up. So anyway, that's pretty cool. MSR HP stand. Malcolm Smith Racing. Okay, so yeah, it's nice. Get it up, easier to work on. All right, so we're gonna take off that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, which is actually, I think, a screw, and that's a screw. This tool is pretty nice. It's got sockets on the end, but it's a T-handle. So I keep an 8, a 6, and a 10 on there always. And that's pretty good when you're working on this kind of stuff. Let's see if it fits. Most of the time, yeah, that's an 8, so yep, that's what that is. And then this one's up here is a 6. So basically, it's really nice, very lightweight, and you can it works on almost all the bolts on this bike are one of these 3 sizes. And if they're not one of those, then you just need one of these socket. You know, you don't need to fucking hold shitload of tools for working on bikes. I mean, look at it. That's my sockets for this bike, pretty much. A couple of big ones over there. Oh, show me the way to the next whiskey bar. How, don't ask why. How, don't ask why. Now I gotta figure out which one I want to take out first. These or that one. Let's loosen these. But not take it all the way out. Well, sounds like a good idea. Maybe I'll take it out and put it back in a couple turns. Maybe I'll do it that way. What do you think? What do you think? See what I mean? Not even a bolt. It's a, you know, screw. Ah. Plastic. Why can't they just fucking use bolts, you know? Fuck. That's why I didn't want to do this job. Alright, see if she wiggles loose at all. Oh yeah, okay, that'll do it. Guess I'll just take those bolts all the way out now. Alright. That clip, that little white clip right there, let's see. That white clip right there, I'm gonna have to undo this one, but I can't find one on the other side. Looks like, I'll get some better light in there. Got the green and red labeled wires there, sort of covering up the other switch. So I think what I got to do is I'm going to try and take this tail light off and see if I can get to it from there, because I don't want to have to take this whole thing out. You can't really slide it because, let's see if I can show you, like right back in here, you'd have to slide it really far back in order to get it out. And these wires are preventing that from happening. So I thought I was going to be able to do this really quick, just switch it right here, but apparently not. I think I have to take this off. Let's do that now. Got to take out that one and that one too. This washer is will come out when you take out this top screw here. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, you can see the other white clip right down in there. That off to the side here for a second. That one just goes up like that. Oh, all right. Green and a red. Oh, really? That's gonna be easy to do. There we go. Pretty easy. So you get yourself a little precision screwdriver like this. That looks pretty good. The green goes on the right. Okay, gotta remember that. I don't want to fucking put it all back together and have it backwards again. Okay. So I just push that in. Like so. Yeah, easy. Okay, cool. I don't need the screwdriver anymore. Put the fucking thing through. Get the washer in there. I just use this little quick grip to hold the seat, to hold it all together, so I can put the screws in real easy. Tools you use are clamp. You're gonna need a 6mm, 8mm socket, extension, a little screwdriver, and that's about it.